Hi everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California, and I took a little walk down into Gary's garden this morning, and look at this. This is going to be amazing when it's done. So this is the tunnel that you're building, and you can extend this or you can go this. So I know you can't hear him because we're not mic'd at all, but he can extend it either way. And this is this is your plans basically for next year, right?
Yeah, this is for next year. I've already got this going for this year. So the fig leaf gourd has got a lot of fruit on it.
You're going to have to talk loud.
Okay, the fig leaf gourd has got a lot of fruit on it. So I'm not sure exactly when it's ripe, but I think this is close to being ripe.
Now, is this a melon or what is a fig leaf gourd?
It's in the Cucurbita family. It's related to pumpkins, but it's a different species of pumpkin. It's a perennial pumpkin, so it'll grow back probably from the roots next year. I'll find that out, whether the foliage dies back and it comes back from the root. I think it comes back from the root and grows new vines next year.
So this is called a fig leaf gourd, but you eat it like a pumpkin?
Yeah.
So it's got to get ripe. You don't know what it looks like ripe yet, right?
No, but I haven't seen a fruit, but I think this is close to being ripe. That one there, but the little ones you can eat at different stages. So there's smaller ones like that.
Yeah, I saw that one. Let me see that. Beautiful.
Ton of fruit.
I know. Here's a young fruit. Look at the fruit. It seems like every flower has got a fruit on it. Do they not have fruit? Every flower I'm looking at has fruit. This grows different. You don't have a male and female flower?
The male flowers are down here.
Okay, let me see the male flowers.
So these are the male flowers.
Okay, move this over. Oh, okay, so you do have some male flowers. So see, there's nothing here. See, it's just the stem. Let me get my hand out of there. All right. So but most of them are female flowers.
Yeah, these are males coming up.
The males are lower and the females are higher.
Males are lower and the females are higher. So all the way up here are the female flowers, and it's setting fruit all through here. So,
yeah, I haven't been down here for a while. Look at all the fruit. Okay, so I see now that most of them are females. That's really cool. So you got a female, but then you've got a male flower here, male flower there. Now I'm starting to see the male flowers. There's another male flower here. But these are beautiful, and we haven't tasted them, so we don't know anything about it. You don't know if you can eat them when they're still green. You know, can you pull them off and eat them at any stage? You don't know anything about them?
Not 100%. You can eat them when they're green, but I have to find out the size of it. There's not a lot of information that I can find on it.
Oh, this is a nice walk to do. This is going to be beautiful. Can you imagine when it reaches the top? I mean, if you put other squash in here, how beautiful this tunnel will be. How long is your tunnel?
Well, each section of this is 5 feet. So this is 20 feet.
20 feet long. Wow. So you're just going to continue, I'm assuming, all the way along with totes. Oh my goodness.
I'll continue this with totes, and I'll put cucumbers and melons and different things next year. So we're at the end of the season. I just want to get the infrastructure built so that next year I'll be ready to go.
This is absolutely gorgeous. Let me give you a little tidbit, everybody. Something I have not talked about. Plastic. Growing in plastic, growing with plastic, growing as a top cover plastic. Anyway, putting plants or plant food type plants in plastic is all considered organic by the government because they claim there is no problem at all. So there's a lot of plastic in there. So it is considered organic, something I have not brought up before that I'll talk about more later. What's your plans for the rest of all this?
Well, I'll have totes along either side, and I'll be able to just walk straight through the center and water. And I'll have squash, I'll have cucumbers, I'll have melons, I'll have just different things that I can grow up and harvest from below.
And of course, if they wanted to, they could easily run an irrigation system. And the other thing too is if you've got something set up like this, no joke. You come out here with a hose. If you've got a faucet somewhere that you've got a hose, you've got a job of 5 minutes to water everything. Literally, you'd have it done in 5 minutes. All right, well, I think this was an interesting trip down here. I walked down here. I wanted to see his high tunnel. Let me step back. Oh my gosh, it's another direction. Look at this. 20 feet long. He's putting it together, and I think next spring, probably late spring, when everything takes off, this is going to be amazing. And we'll see how long the fig leaf gourd lasts for, because we don't know how long it's going to grow for, but it's growing better than the zucchini and everything is growing right now. Okay.
Noticed another big
Another big one.
It's kind of tucked away, so I just dropped the flower blossom off the end.
Look at that. And this is the other one he's got growing in the garden with his other melons. This is a small one. This one's about 5 feet. And then the big one he's got out his garden. It goes out there, out the gate. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm going to let Gary do his routine goodbye because I never ask anybody to like and subscribe. I should. Go ahead, Gary. Go for it.
Okay, well, if you like what you see in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, feel free to subscribe to our channel. And if you think you know someone that would like this video or like to see this, feel free to share it and put it on social media if you want. And with that, thanks for watching, and don't forget to eat what you grow.
Bye-bye. I'll turn it around for a minute. I'm here too. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.